Heidi ho! Right, today I'm going to do another Finnish coin. This is a 1 Markka coin. These are the early ones. No, these are the later ones. The silver ones were the next ones. 1 Markka. So, yep. Let's bang a hole in it. Make sure it didn't fall off. It didn't. Hope everybody's doing well. I'm doing absolutely fantastic, believe it or not. Right, let's go over to the one and only other lady in my life. I have 2 ladies in my life, you know. There's my girlfriend of over 22 years. And there's Big Bertha, that's about 10 months old, I think. Maybe 11 months old, I don't know. But she does misbehave sometimes. I mean, you can't take her out, because you never know what she's going to do. Right, there you go. If you're not subscribed, please consider hitting that little button, bottom right hand corner of the video. It's free, there's no obligations. These are popular on the market, these 1 Markka coins. As you know, the tourists, they come on the boats and that. Or even people flying in. It's nice to have something from Finland. But they're hard to find, you know. I was lucky. I've got some good deals on some old boys, but I can't find any more, so I don't know what I'm going to do. I mean, who can you turn to? Right, let's show it a bit of love. Bit of love and affection. This is where I burned my arms all, but not today. Okie dokie. That's pretty sexy. Dry it off. Is this one going to be any good? So we're going to go with, not very nice. This is a better side. Suomi, which is Finland. In case you didn't know. Now you do know. See, we're getting language course as well. Is there any words you'd like me to tell you? Translate for you? Let me know. I know loads of swear words. Like, I know all the swear words. That's the first thing you learn when you first come to this country. They're really good words as well. Right. Just want to clean up that edge again, make sure it's good. This is Emma, Sandy's sister. The Sandy left me, she had enough of me. So Emma jumped in and said, I'll do it for you. There you go. Right, a bit of kitchen roll. I'm getting low on kitchen roll. I'm not getting low on kitchen roll. I need to get some more out of my... So I just use bits today. There he is. He's pretty good looking, isn't he, Spike? And obviously these are quite small rings. You can stretch them out, you know, a fair bit. Not too shabby, as they say. Not too shabby. I quite like that, sir. I'll give it a little bit more love with Bernie. Just to be on the safe side. Okie dokie. Right, bit more of the old kitchen roll. Here we go again. I think I can get a little bit more on this. Yeah. I think that's as far as I'm going to go. I have gone bigger, but there's no bow in it anymore. So we'll go down to the bottom end of the spike. These are reduction dice, as you should know by now. Luby Lou, where are you? There she is. Good old Luby Lou. Yeah, I've had a few emails saying I should be more serious. I don't get that at all. My reply to them is why? Touch more. I don't think I've ever been serious in my life. There you go. Pretty good. Do we have a lip in the inside? Yes, we do. So let's rip that out. Do I turn it a little bit each time? Otherwise you're sort of biased to one part of the coin with your pressure. So if you give it a little bit of a turn each time, it sort of it equals out. Otherwise the lip's gone on one side and it's still on the other side. If you get my drift, there you go. It's pretty damn good. Right, let's break out Kate. Do that edge. Right, let's take out the one and only K. I'm sticking Felton John. I think Felton John's got to go soon. We've got to get a new Felton John in there. Polish. Right. Right. How's it looking? Door ask me, 'cause I don't know. What's it all about? Screaming and a shout. Right. Not too shabby. Right. Yeah, it's come up nice. Nice baby. There we have it, Finland. 1995, that's the year I was born. Right, there you go. Saw me. That is Finland. So what size did we get in the end? This is a size. You always measure from the reeded side. This is milled, but it's the same thing. This is a size 8 nils, damn it. I can make it bigger. I can make it smaller. So thank you all for watching. Thanks for your support. Thanks for your comments. Hit the like button for me. Or, yeah, why not? Hit the buttons for me. Come on. Show me some love. Fits this finger perfectly. And God willing, I will see you all tomorrow. So bye-bye.